jet is done, but it's probably one of my worst jets. So it had the potential to be one of my best because this new engine that I fully 3D printed is the strongest one I've ever made. It also has the first time I made like a perfect airfoil by 3D printing all the way down. So that's really good. But the problem is that I made the body too small, so I had to improvise a lot, like making that step up for the engine. And then that, so after one measurement went wrong, it just kept on adding more and more problems until even the wing now is like a tiny bit off to this side. I can't really show you here, but if you look at some angles, you can see the wing is not perfectly on, so I had a lot of problems. And and the CG is off now because I couldn't move the wing more back as that is there, so. And I even put the battery as far front as I could, and it's still not like centered properly. So I doubt this will fly, but it's a good test plane for the wing. At least I got to build with new concepts, and the next jet will be a lot better. So yeah, stay tuned for the main flight. It's probably just gonna crash, but we'll see how it'll go in the future.